Good morning everyone, Reborn is here. So I'm so excited because it's been a while that we're doing cooking vlog, and today we will be making nasi goreng. Alright, so nasi goreng is an Indonesian fried rice, and it's weekend, it's time to do it. Let's go. Alright, so here is our nasi goreng. So this is not traditional nasi goreng, and we don't have authentic ingredients, especially the sauce, because we all created from scratch, especially the sweet soy sauce. Yes, so I just read it online that it's soy sauce plus sugar, so that's what we did. We add sugar to the soy sauce, and then instead of using that spicy kind of paste, we use ketchup instead. You can use ketchup according to some articles on Google. So that's all, and please try nasi goreng at your very own home. Madali lang siyang gawin and mura lang siya. Yun lang, itadakimasu!